Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. First I want to say thank you for all my subscribers who have watched and shared my last video. I really appreciate. Today back in the workshop. Did take Audi on the second room on my workshop. You have not seen that room, I think. Yeah, so let's see. So, welcome to my second room on my workshop. Here I have a metal lathe where I fab all the polyurethane pushers and aluminium pushers what I make for customers and for my project cars. I make working on lathe video soon also. We need some parts for Audi. And here is one Lada, it's for sale. And here I have hydraulic press, washing cabinet, so one workshop table what I made myself, and vise. So and Audi is also now here. I take it to this room because it can stay here all the time, and if I have 20 minutes free time I can come here and start working, but before I need to take the car in, and then I didn't have time to work. So now if I have free time I can work. And yeah, so I used this room before only for metal work. It was like this black room where I did cut and weld, but right now it's a room for VR6 swap. Like you see, VR6 is still on engine bay, and my 2.8 VR6 engine steering pump bracket did not arrive from Lithuania yet, so today we are not finishing engine mounts. Yeah. What about today? Today we fit the front nose here and test how the radiator will fit and some other parts, so I will show what parts we install. So here I have the front nose part, the V6 radiator. On the table are some parts for the VR6. Today we also try on axle shafts. These are from 2.3 R5 engine. I use these because I use S401E gearbox. And these shaft axle mounts inside ones, they are bigger than standard 01A uses, so I need to use these shaft axles. And yeah, so I have here some brake booster parts, but I think the brakes will be in the next episode. Yeah, okay, so I don't have a lift in this room, so we need to go old school, use jack stands. I will lift the car, take the wheels off, and then we start working. Yeah, but first I will finish my coffee and then let's start work. lifted on stands and tires are removed. So I think first I will try on the shaft axles. Then let's try this front nose parts, because right now it's good to get here to bolt it. And yeah, let's start work. One side is installed and it seems in right place. It's good fitment, I think, and it has some small moving cap. Yeah. So it sounds nice, and now I will install the passenger side. So passenger side shaft axle is also installed, and it has also this movement. So it looks nice. And also I did install a starter. This has also nice caps everywhere and all looks good. And this coolant pipe is installed, what goes the front of the radiator, and exhaust manifolds are installed. Now I can see how to make these downpipes here. I have here some nice space for downpipes, so I'm not very worried about that. And yeah, I think this side engine mount I don't need to change. It can be like it is. I think now let's start installing these front nose parts, what I speaked before, and then we can see how the all parts will fit. Yeah, okay, so let's work. I did install the intake manifold also, so now you can see the complete picture, how it will look in this before engine bay and the caps. So radiator fits nicely, and the coolant connections are in the same side. Here needs some hose, but that I will look which one would fit here. And it's nice gap between engine and the radiator. Ventilators, I will install the front of the radiator, some aftermarket ones, Spal or something. I think it's all for today. In next episode maybe the parts have arrived, so we can finish the engine arms, and I will speak about the brakes, what issues we have here, and what need to make. If you did like this video, then comment what you think, share it with your friends so they can see it also, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!